Hi, I'm Blessed Hirat, and today's video is going to be a simple DIY. So I'm making one of my simplest and affordable body scrub, and the good news is that you always have the ingredients right at your home. And that's why I love this body scrub, because it makes it so easy to mix them up whenever you feel like, nah, I really need to exfoliate my skin without breaking the bank. Exfoliation helps remove the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, and regular exfoliation may also help to prevent clogged pores and stimulate the production of collagen. The result: firmer, brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin that's less prone to acne. If you have oily skin, then it's probably safe for you to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times. And you have acne prone, dry skin, or sensitive skin, I'll advise you to exfoliate once or twice a week. If you experience redness or stinging, then you are doing it so much. Cut it back to maybe once a week or twice a week. Too much of exfoliation can strip off your moisture. That's why I added the coconut oil. In case you are stripping off the moisture, you are replacing it with the coconut oil. Before we continue, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, like this video because it's very important to me, and share this video as well. You can comment whatever you want me to do next in the comment section. And this is my sugar. This sugar is the actual exfoliant, which has small granules to make easy massage to remove dead skin cells. It has these small granules which will make it easy for you to exfoliate without getting any harsh results. And next, I'm going to use coconut oil, and you can use olive oil as well. This coconut oil protects and nourishes the skin. So while exfoliating, you are not completely removing the moisture from your skin, because the coconut oil is there to do the work for you without losing so much oil in your skin. And next, I'm going to use glutathione shower gel, which is formulated to moisturize, nourishes your skin, protects your skin from all skin blemishes, and also give your skin whitening effect and beauty look. The shower gel is totally optional. You can use this, or you can use any creamy shower gel you have, or you can decide not to add it at all. This is the body scrub after 24 hours. After 24 hours, the sugar will settle down and the shower gel will come on top with the coconut oil. So all you have to do is mix it anytime you are ready to use. Mix it before you use it. And one thing about this scrub is you have to excuse me, oh sorry, it's too early here at my end. All you have to do is to mix it very well before you use it. And one thing about this scrub is you have to refrigerate it anytime you are done making it because of the sugar. I use pure sugar here. If you keep it just like that, it will generate bacteria which will be harmful to your skin. So anytime you are done making it, make sure you refrigerate it for next usage. Sugar scrub is so gentle on the skin, and I'm going to demonstrate for you to see. The granules of the sugar is not rough, it's so small, which makes it so safe on your skin. And this is it. As you can see, and you see the oil. I think due to my lighting, you can see it the way I'm doing it right here. So this is it, and I'm scrubbing. You have to scrub gently on your skin. Before you use this scrub to exfoliate, make sure you wet your skin, then you exfoliate all over your body, and make sure to exfoliate your fingers too, because that place is very important. Make sure you exfoliate that place as well. I'm just demonstrating, so I didn't use too much, and I didn't wet my skin before using the scrub. That's why it didn't lather on my skin. So don't say maybe I added the shower gel on top so it didn't lather. No, I didn't do it the right way because I'm in front of the camera. So do well, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video as well. See you next time. Bye.